Hello my friend, welcome in new tutorial. In this tutorial we talk about response as object. As you know, in the previous lessons or episodes we talk about routing and talk about middleware and CRS protection and controllers and request and HTTP response. Today we talk about object response. We talk about JSON. We talk about this topic, file download, our response as file download. So we need to create a new project. I create a new project for saving time. We need, first of all, create a new controller. So we say PHP artisan make a colon controller. Let me cross check, yes, and I will name it, for example, file controller. File controller and hit enter. Yes, it created for us a new controller here, file controller. In this controller, we create a new function, public function, and we termed it, for example, show, and parentheses, and calibrate this. So after that, we need to call the image. For example, I work on image in this episode, so I need the file path. I create a new variable. I named it file path. File path, and I will use helper public path. Public path search all disk for finding file name. Will need to use it as a response to the request user. So I use this helper public path, and I say I need to create a new variable. I say I named it file name, for example, file name. So I call it here $$ file name, I think, yes, file name, and I communicated with the type of the file name. For example, I use the simple image, so this type might be communicated here. So I add a string. For example, my file type is GPG. I say GPG. Need dot here. This very important point. After that, we need to return response, and we need this response. Some pieces here, some part. We need this only response, and we need to download our file. Download. We need this. This have some pieces. We need this now. So I say this. I use this here. Copy this. Control C for saving time. And copy. And in this. And this. So I think our work is fine. We need to create a new, for example, a new route. Here I create a new route. I say route and colon and get, and for example I say choose file, choose file. After that I need call the controller, calibrated file controller, I think file controller, this file controller, and indicate this type of class and indicate our function. I think we named it show. Yes, show. So I say show and semicolon. After that we need to upload our project on the, for example, we need on the server PHP artisan serve, I think, and hit enter. Yes, it worked. Now we need to go to the browser here and close this and create, say, local host. So before that we need to add the picture. For example, I added this picture here, this picture file GPG, added in this path. You can see our project in the, I think in the public, and add this page. I need to send this image as a response to the user request. So I use this page for as a request, as a response, excuse me. I go back to the browser and say localhost and say get file. Let me control the route, choose, and need add the name of variable. So I say file name and complete work. This file name must be familiar, like this file name. I think this like this. So I need to go back to the browser and say choose file. After that we need added the name, file name we need to send as a response to the request. For example, we named it bill and hit enter. You can see here we download, we send our response as an object to the browser. We open this. We open, showing folder, and open for us. Yes, this our response to the request as an object. I think this enough for this episode, because in this episode we talk about, let me show you that, we created a new project and we created a new controller. We termed it file controller, and in this controller we create a function, named it show, and in this function we call this public func helper, path helper, for searching this file name by this GPG type and return this file path as a response to the request which user sent for us, as like image, for example. It may be a file text or PDF file or text file or anything else object may be sent as a request to the as the response to the user request. Thank you for watching. If this episode helpful for us, please support us by like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. I wish I can see you in the new episode. Goodbye.